Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Strike, ba. Strike, oh, strike, strike. Strike, oh, strike, strike. Strike, oh, strike. With the breaking news sentence. Now, doctors are saying they want to go on strike. Why do they want to go on strike? You are asking me. Okay. You don't know. They are saying, say, John Mahama, His Excellency, has suspended a excuse import duty on one vehicle. On say as a doctor every year, no, you can import one vehicle into the country and you will not pay for it. And under Akufo-Addo, no, they negotiated it and it was revived. I think it was suspended for some time and then they negotiated under Akufo-Addo Baumia. And Akufo-Addo G2 say, oh, they should be granted. And to be Ayɛka, even Dr. Baumia was promising nurses, say, he will give them exemption every year for one nurse. You can import one vehicle, 1.5 liter engine. So cock so mu has been power. Me here studio. Mfanche mi wa me here studio. Assemble me ya juma na afire kru aden. Oh. Share. We na be semu NDC4 na mada no mo nkuko kiti amu haju o mira musa mu fanchom. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia promised nurses that he was going to give them exemption for 1.5 liter engine vehicles that they can import in. Who won't like this? They voted against MPP. Now, after voting against MPP, NDC comes into power. Now, doctors, they have cancelled, they have placed it on hold. Oma place it on hold. Now, the sad thing, say, some doctors had import vehicles under the former arrangement. And it's a placing on hold cranker. You allow those people to clear their items. So once they clear their item, then you can start the new regime and can say, Debbie, we will not allow you to import any this thing again. Debbie. And this is for some penny. Your mama say penny. The people, their vehicles are caught up at the port. So as we are speaking now, there are hundreds of doctors import cars use and all other stuff, and their cars are being withheld. Harbor, and I say harbor now the cars being withheld when I say every day, say what they do Ghana, who imported the night do Ghana, it has a time frame. And as that time frame nemo, if you don't clear your item now, then it will start incurring charges. As a quick loaner, what defaulty, who defaulty quick loaner every day. Now defaulty biano, no moody becount, sir. Now no necessary. So the doctors have their cars at the harbor. They knew said they were not going to pay duty on it. So ideally they will just go to the port, get their vehicles out, they go. NDC about for about happy second independence aba. Now second independence mono. Almost say omudie. Omuntijai. The doctors have to pay to clear their vehicles. Now, Oniska and to bear then you leave the car there. Now the cars are accruing. The leadership of the medical doctors and the medical and dental council, and I say, their association, they are calling on the minister. The minister is not minding them. Someone is saying this before the NTOBR regime. The NTOBR regime are bad here. What can you do? You just keep quiet and suffer. But you see, all these things are there. You are warning Ghana for. We want Ghanaians. We want workers. Did we not want doctors? We want them. Which other government offered a better condition of service to doctors or health professionals than MPP government? No other government. From even single spine, Kufota Maya propose single spine. All those we always make sure say We pampered doctors, we pampered nurses, and other members of the health team. But you see, sometimes when you have something precious, you will not consider it until you lose it. And that is what is happening not just to doctors, but to almost all civil servants, including people who have lost their jobs. There are over 5,000 people who have been laid off from the public sector. Yes. When you allow a party to thrive on propaganda, this is what will happen to you. Yeah. Because this same party told you, say, there was banking sector cleanup and blah, 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 blah. We all know, say, the people who matter, depositors or more funds, were safeguarded. Don't we know? We know. But we allow the NDC to create a narrative, say, and now people are working at the banks and they have lost their jobs, which was not even entirely true. Was it entirely true? Because most of the banks that were consolidated, they kept their staff. It was only management staff that maybe had some replacement among others. And those replacements, it was on good grounds. Because if you are managing something and it's not giving product, it's not giving result, the manager must be changed. That's a football team. Supporting team, it is a man you'll be changing your coach almost every day, every now and then, until the team gets better, the team gets on its feet. Alright? So all these things are things that were being considered, and you voted against the MPP. Now your cars are stranded at the harbor, and they are going to auction it. Next Ghana said the new term auction. We are moved from Woodnim Red to auction. Until everyone to want to be an auction with vehicle. Everyone want to an auction with vehicle. That is the kind of country we are in now. So doctors are threatening to go on strike now. Doctors force a strike and more money. You know what the implications, the kind of disarray that happens in our hospitals and all those things. So there are things that we should be expecting the days ahead. If government has not taken any against them, they are saying, say, the minister is not even giving them a listening ear. They have been trying to meet the minister, but the minister said, you're busy. Health minister, doctors are trying to meet you. Leadership want to meet you, see you are busy. Busy. What kind of busy are you busy that you can't make time for doctors? So say Omoko strike and then you see them running up and down. We are too reactive as a nation. Too reactive. We wait until it gets spot. And then we go into panic mode. When will we learn? When will we learn as a people? When will we anticipate and solve in advance? Anticipate and solve in advance. That is what is making a difference all over the world now. You anticipate the problem, you solve it in advance. So you don't come and sit down and say, had I known? Because had I known is always the fool's language. We don't want to be fools. How long will we keep being fools? Sorry for my choice of words. So doctors are going on strike very soon. If this matter is not resolved, we will keep tracking it and keep you updated. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.